Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Learn English through picture description. This is a picture of a farm. The sky is blue and clear. There are green hills in the background. A red barn is on the right side of the picture. The barn has a triangular roof. There is hay outside the barn. 2 apple trees stand in the field. One apple tree has a basket of apples underneath. A horse is grazing near the barn. Another horse is white and stands near the apple tree. A tractor is parked near a stack of hay. The tractor is red with black wheels. 2 cows are standing near the river. One cow has brown spots. The other cow is fully brown. A group of pigs is playing in the mud. There are 4 pink pigs in total. A sheep is eating grass near the tractor. The sheep has white wool. A river flows through the middle of the farm. The river is blue and calm. Ducks and swans are swimming in the river. There are 3 ducks in total. One large white swan is in the water. A frog is sitting on a green lily pad in the river. The river has pink lotus flowers. Green grass grows along the riverbank. A butterfly is flying near the grass. There are cattails growing near the river. A yellow duckling is swimming close to the swan. Bees are buzzing near the flowers. A small bird is sitting on the fence. There is a wooden fence separating the barn and the field. The field looks clean and well kept. A wheelbarrow is near the apple tree. The wheelbarrow has tools in it. There are colorful flowers growing in the field. A squirrel is climbing the apple tree. The horse near the barn has its head down. The cow near the river looks happy. The pigs are playing in the muddy water. The tractor is ready to carry hay. The red barn has a small window. The field has bright, cheerful colors. A big hill is in the distance. The animals seem happy and peaceful. The farm looks like a fun place to visit. The scene shows life on a farm. The weather looks warm and sunny. Everything is bright and colorful in the picture. Questions and answers practice. Answers are given at the end of the video. What color is the barn? How many apple trees are there? What is the color of the tractor? How many pigs are playing in the mud? What animal is sitting on the lily pad? What color is the swan in the river? What is growing near the riverbank? How many cows are near the river? What is the sheep eating? What is flying near the flowers? Subscribe the channel for more videos.